Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and related topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics N6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of exam DP test questions, round 4, question 4. And this is the particular integral, the general solution. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I am going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, this is our sum that we are going to do. Alright, first things first, we have to get dy over dx by itself. So that's the first step. So now what we're going to do is divide by 1 minus x squared. Now we're going to do that to everything here. 1 minus x squared and 1 minus x squared. Alright, so that's what our sum will look like now. So, this cancels, that cancels. This cancels, that cancels. So now we are left with dy over dx minus x over 1 minus x squared. Y equals 2. Now we're working with the two things called P and Q. This is P and this is Q. You will see how they work with the formula that I'm going to show you. The formula goes e to the integral, to the power integral of P dx equals, this is y, sorry. And now what we're going to do is say the integral of q multiplied by e to the power of the integral of p dx. Now what we have is this is p and that is q. So we're only going to work with this section first, because when we work with this section first, we'll just have y by itself. We'll just have y on its own. So then we will work out q, and already what's the integral of that. So these two are exactly the same on either side. So what happens here will happen here at the same time. So first things first, is we're going to take e to the integral of minus 1 minus x squared. Alright, now what we can do is we can take a minus out. We can take the minus outside. Now we're going to work out the integral of this. Now, the integral of this, the integral of minus x over 1 minus x squared, we will work out with u substitution. So let u equal 1 minus x squared. So now u equals 1 minus x squared. So du over dx equals, now we take the derivative of this. So the derivative of 1 is 1. It's nothing. It's 0. So, minus, now we take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So minus 2x. Now we come back here, the integral of x over u. Now, what we do is now we take dx up here and take the minus 2x down here. So, dx equals du over minus 2x. So, our sum will be minus the integral of x over u times du over minus 2x. So, right now, x and x cancel out. So now we are left with minus a half. Minus times a minus is a positive. So this is a positive a half, the integral of 1 over u du. Now, the integral of 1 over u is ln. So a half ln u. And now that is the integral. Now we replace u with what we started with. We replaced ln with what we started with, 1 minus x squared. Okay, so we have that particular integral. So our integral is, now that minus has gone away, so we're left with e. Now also what we need to do is take this half, because it's on the outside, it must come back here to a half here. So now it is e to the power ln 1 minus x squared to the power of a half. Alright, so what we're going to do now, ln and the power ln to the base e, they cancel each other out. So that'll cancel with that, and we are left with 1 minus x squared to the power of a half. Now this equals, now q is 2. The integral of 2 times 1 minus x squared to the power of a half. And we're still left with y on the back end here. So, next step, we have to integrate on this side. So let's integrate on this side. We're left with y times 1 minus x squared to the power of a half equals 2 integral times 1 minus x squared to the power of a half. Now, let's integrate. Plus 1 over a half plus 1. Now we're integrating. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's a 3 over 2. Now this will be flipped over when it comes here. So it'll be 4 over 3. So y times 1 minus x squared to the power of a half equals 4 over 3 multiplied by 1 minus x squared to the 3 over 2 plus c. And that is our final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comment section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.